Rain falls on glass and steel, a megacity seen from above at night. Neon signs in a dozen languages bleed color into wet surfaces, magenta, cyan, amber. The camera descends through rain between towers, so tall their tops disappear into low clouds. Every surface is a screen. The city breathes light. Street level. Thousands cross an intersection simultaneously. Umbrellas form a canopy of reflected neon. Steam rises from street vents, catching holographic advertisements. Food stalls line narrow alleys, their warm light the only organic glow. A single figure stands still in the center, the crowd flowing around them. The camera rises along a 200-story vertical farm. Through glass walls, purple LED grow lights illuminate hydroponic rows. Water circulates in visible streams. Robotic arms tend plants with surgical precision. No soil, no sunlight, no seasons. Food production reaching for the sky. Above the clouds, tower tops emerge into clear night sky, a second city above the weather. Sky bridges connect rooftop gardens. Wind turbines spin between structures. A drone swarm carries luminous cargo between upper towers. Below, the neon rain continues unseen. Back down. Underground. The subway moves through tunnels lined with screens, showing simulated forests, oceans, mountains, nature that no longer exists above ground. The train surfaces briefly, crossing a bridge over a river that reflects the entire city upside down. Dawn approaches. Gray light softens the neon. Rain stops. Steam rises from every surface as sun catches wet glass. Signs dim. For a moment, the city looks peaceful. Then a new cycle begins. The neon returns, brighter than before. Final shot, wide aerial. The megacity stretches to every horizon. Infinite towers, lights, movement. No edge, no countryside. The camera rises until the city becomes a texture, then a glow, then a single warm spot on a dark planet. Night returns.